Hey, what's up everybody? Brittany from IPT and IPT Virtual, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a long shoehorn. So it's not a back scratcher, it's not a fancy shoulder stretcher, it's something that you can use to help get your shoes on easily, especially after a hip replacement surgery. So if you had a posterior hip replacement, then you're not allowed to bend your hip more than 90 degrees, usually for at least the first 3 months. Even if you had some other kind of surgery, sometimes back surgery, something where you have a hard time bending over or your surgeon tells you not to bend over, then these are really, really helpful at getting your shoes on. So I'm going to show you how to do it here on myself. Basically, you take a sneaker, I have everything tied and ready to go, and then you would slide the front tip of your foot in, take this long flat part and slide it down the back of the shoe, and then your heel slides right in the groove so that your foot can slip right into the shoe. Pull the shoehorn out, and there you go. Super easy to use, helps you not break your precautions, and sometimes just makes it easier if you're having a hard time getting your hip into funky positions, then you need to put your shoe on. If you or someone you know is having a hip replacement, be sure to check out our IPTV program for a total hip replacement. Subscribe to our channel and let us know what else you want to see. Bye guys.